8. What is he? Hannah whispered. The kind of thing would be to put him back into the sea, Hannah said. Hannah gave a suggestion because if they treat him, they might be in trouble. And as a doctor, Sadao didn't let him die in front of his eyes. So the best option that they are not at all responsible for this man's condition. And how they get the man? They got the man through sea. So Hannah gave the suggestion, the kind of thing would be to put him back into the sea, Hannah said. But neither of them moved. They were staring with a curious repulsion upon the inert figure. They're not liking the person because he was American. But the man is now in helpless condition. Now what to do? What is he? Hannah whispered. There is something about him that looks American, Sadao said. He took up the battered cap. Yes, there, almost gone, was the faint lettering, a sailor, he said, from an American warship. How did you know? He spelled it out, U.S. Navy. The man was a prisoner of war, POW. That means that war was going on and somehow the man was caught by the Japanese force, most probably the Japanese naval force. And he was imprisoned. And in the prison, he was tortured. And one day he might try to flee, so he was shot from the back. But he has a greater strength. So after being shot also, he swam across the sea and now he fell on the shore and he is now in this condition. They hesitated, looking at each other. Then Hannah said with resolution, Come, are we able to put him back into the sea? If I am able, are you? Sadao asked. No, Hannah said. But if you can do it alone. Though Hannah gave the suggestion, but he was a female. He was a woman. She was a woman. And as a woman, she must possess a tender mind. So, throwing the man into the sea again, that means throwing him into the face of death. So, as a human being, as a woman folk, Hannah couldn't do it by herself. You might remember the famous Macbeth, where Lady Macbeth couldn't kill Duncan by herself. When she went there, the sleeping Duncan resembled her father. So he entrusted the work of killing, though she was mastermind, on Macbeth. Here also, Hannah suggested that they should throw him back to the sea. But she couldn't do it by herself. That's why when Hoki asked her, if I'm able, are you? Sadao asked. No, Hannah said, but if you can do it alone. Sadao hesitated again. He had qualms. He hesitated. The strange thing is, he said, that if the man were whole, I could turn him over to the police without difficulty. But he is not whole, he is wounded, and he is at the mercy of them only for his life. Though he is unconscious, but his stature, his position, his gesture, his posture ask that mercy. I care nothing for him. He is my enemy. Yes, all Americans are my enemy, and he is only a common fellow. You see how foolish his face is? But since he is wounded, a hesitation.